What's going on, everybody? This is Drew with Mark's Appliance, and today we're going to show you the two types of top loading washers on the market today. So we get a lot of questions of what's the difference between an Agitator model or the Impeller model. The model without an agitator, it's got ribs at the bottom. So that's what this video is here to explain. So the traditional Agitator, you've probably all seen one before. It's got the middle spindle. It's going to rotate, use a lot of motion, and force the clothes against each other to create friction to wash those clothes. It's going to be a more aggressive clean. So if you're someone who gets really dirty, you work in construction, you wash a lot of jeans, that might be something that is more suitable for you. Now, on the other end, we've got this Impeller Washer, which is a new style technology, similar to front load washers. It's actually basically the same, except instead of that rotating, it rotates from the bottom. So it's going to be a gentler wash. It's going to create a lot more room for your clothes to wash, a lot more room for water to go through. But it's the same style as same idea. You're creating friction. Clothes are going to rub against each other. Similar, same idea as like a washboard back in the day. But if you're someone who, have a lot of business clothes, you go in the office a lot, don't really get dirty, you want a washer that's going to gently wash your clothes, this is going to be the, better option for you. It's going to use less water, but it is a longer wash cycle. It wicks away more moisture, so it's going to lead to a shorter drying cycle. This is the opposite. Shorter wash cycle. Clothes are going to be more damp, have more moisture, leads to a longer dry cycle. So, really those are your options. The two washers here that we used are GE Profile's new top loading washer. This comes in an Agitator and an Impeller, and comes in white and diamond gray. GE's rolling out a whole new line of GE Profile laundry. They're very cool. They even have a new one that's got Amazon Alexa in it as well that can play some music. Crazy. This is a Maytag, very easy to use, very basic, great machine. So we've got both of them in stock. So if you are looking for some laundry, we can help you out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.